All right, so the other thing we're going to do today is replace this, what they call the shift lever assembly. I actually broke this piece last time I was working on the tractor. And in order to change the drive belt, this piece right here has got to come off, which is part of that shift lever assembly. So since I got to replace that, I'm just going to take that. In order to get the belt off, I got to get that piece off anyway. So if you can get away with just taking this nut off right here, popping this piece out, and then that belt is going to slide right through there. But in my case, I have to replace that whole assembly since I broke it the last time. So we're not going to go into how or why that happened, but it happened. So anyway, you gotta start here. I kind of already started to do this and then realized I should be filming. So anyway, there's this bar here. This is a safety bar because you have to tell people that you can't put your hand in the fan that's down there. Should be common sense, but you never know. Anyway, so there were 4 bolts in here. This also holds, these 2 bolts hold your release for your neutral release. So I put that back in place. So anyway, there was 2 bolts here and 2 bolts there, and that just comes off like that. And like I said, I just put these in here loosely just to kind of keep that up and out of the way. There's also, you gotta take this shroud off. All right, and I already started this, so that's why they're loose. Okay, right here. And that exposes this. This is your basically your neutral, your shift plate or your neutral plate. If you have, if the tractor is creeping, as in if you think it's in neutral and it's still moving forward or backwards in one direction, it means it's not quite set right. But you can actually adjust this up and down to, to correct that. So you put the tractor on a flat surface and turn it on, and then if it's creeping a little bit, you can kind of move this up and down. But anyway, so that's got to come off. Just 4 bolts. Plate, just kind of slide up here. No need to unplug that. That's just your neutral switch. And what we're looking for is these 2 bolts. There's one right here, and there's one right here. So those 2 bolts hold on the shift lever assembly. We're going to pop them out, and that should just come right off. Oh, I am going to have to take off that that adjustment arm, but we can do that. Okay, so I got the old piece off. That was a little bit more of a project than I was hoping for. This bolt right here is being stubborn, and so I put some penetrating oil on there. I did have to move this piece here, so I loosened up this bolt, and there was another bolt here, and there's 2 other on the other side, and I was able to push that back so I can get enough of a bite on that nut with a socket. So anyway, while the penetrating oil sets, I'm going to just finish taking this belt off. because now that I have the whatchamacallit, can't remember the name of it, the shift lever off, as you can see, the belt has much easier access to. But I do not recommend that taking that whole thing off because it's quite a project. But I needed to do it in order to, I had to do it because I broke it anyway, so it wasn't a big deal. So, all right, now, can you get this off? And this piece we're just going to feed through the frame, just like this. Oh, no, we. Oh, gosh. This is like one of the worst things I think I've ever had to do. They do not make this easy. Wow. All right, so. How in the hell do you get that off? That'll do it. Well, no, it won't do it. All right. Well. Come on now. Okay. Yeah, I don't know where that washer went, but I'll find it. Yep, knew that was gonna happen. Shit.